We are discussing the solutions for GATE 2008 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. We are discussing the sixth question in 2 marks series. Consider the following assertions. Statement 1. For Zener effect to occur, a very abrupt junction is required. Statement 2. For quantum tunneling to occur, very narrow energy barrier is required. Which of the following is correct? A. Only statement 2 is true. B. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are true, but statement 2 is not a reason for S1. C. Statement 1 and statement 2 are both are true, but statement 2 is a reason for statement 1. D. Both statement 1 statement 2 are false. Read the statements once again. Statement 1 S1. For Zener effect to occur, a very abrupt junction is required. Statement 2. For quantum tunneling to occur, a very narrow energy barrier is required. The correct answer for this question is only statement 2 is true. To get the tunneling phenomena, the energy barrier potential barrier must be very narrow, such that the electrons in normal ordinary diode will surmount the potential barrier, whereas whenever the doping concentration is very high, at that time the potential barrier width is going to be very narrow, such that they can penetrate through potential barrier and they will enter into the other side. So for quantum tunneling to occur, a very narrow energy barrier is essential. This is what the principle of tunneling phenomena. So for Zener diode, it is not necessarily be abrupt junction, it can be any junction, but heavy doping is essential. So doping concentration must be high, but it is not compulsory that it must be abrupt junction. It may be linearly graded junction, or it may be some other junction, alloy junction, in that way. So only statement 2 is correct for this question. Thank you.